English. I have seen in my lab a lot of people who knows English better
Okay,
than.
actually, but I have remember I had this. There were no any kafir who did not eat hand of cook. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam has told us that you have to love Muslim and who isn't Muslim, Christian, Nasara like this, Yehudi. And you have told that about madrasa student, also school student. So I think that it seems to me that I'm madrasa student, and you are looking that I have own Punjabi. Whenever I wear Punjabi, that time I don't feel like doing any better one. If I go any side, that time I will not feel like doing bed work with others person because I have own Punjabi. I have own tupi. Okay, and whenever I will wear shirt, pant, jeans, etc. That time I will not feel like am I doing bad work or good work. Whenever I will wear my dress, that's mean Punjabi, pajama, topi, that time I will feel I should don't do bad work. I should good work because I'm a madrasa student and I have got from hadith, "Man lam yarham saghirana wa yakul kabirana falaysa minna," who who doesn't respect her or him senior, also who doesn't affection her or him junior, he or she uh, isn't include my ummah. So we have got from hadith, and if we notice to our study, at actually once upon some educated person would think that madrasa student uh, aren't supposed to know English. They know just Arabic. They are not supposed to know proper Bangla. But at present, if you notice to newspaper and etc. other any place, and if we have known that Dhaka University has available by madrasa student, already have told that I feel proud I'm a madrasa student. Actually, once upon we can't speak in English, but at present there are available English speaker from madrasa. So I feel proud, and Allah is told in Quran, you have to knowledge you have to achieve all type of knowledge. Just Arabic doesn't matter. Rasul Pak Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam has told in Hadith, for achieving knowledge, you can go Chin. You can go Chin. Yeah. Okay, brother. So I think that you have understood about you aren't madrasa student, but you look like a madrasa student. You're dress up. But firstly, I thought that you are madrasa student. So actually, after discussing with you, I think that the shy student, also school student doesn't matter. You are not madrasa student, you are school student, but you are following all of rules and regulation in our religions. I feel proud with you, brother. And
Listen, actually, maybe I cannot follow also. But just what I know, I try to follow to the
problem with
utmost.
it.
To the
After
utmost,
all,
I try to.
yeah, after all, you are following. But I think that if I study at school, it doesn't matter. If I perform prayer 5 times, if I recite
Yeah,
Holy
yeah.
Quran,
The
if I
first thing is simple things.
yeah.
Yeah, obviously.
But you can go to Jannat, but for going Jannat, you have to know about Islam properly. For knowing properly about your religion, how to start your journey. For going to Jannat, you have to study at madrasa. You have to know how to translate in English from how to translate in Bangla from Arabic. How to know about Arabic. For knowing Arabic and uh, different type of masala masal, you have to study at madrasa. Okay, brother. So I think that we have spoken long time, so we should don't long our talking. Yeah. Do you
Yeah,
have any?
actually.
Would you like to tell something to our viewers?
What I say? Actually, I would like to say for viewers here that brother, don't compare madrasa student and school student. Both are
Yeah.
same. Just never hate madrasa student. They're they're good. They're good. And school student also good, but uh, but at first madrasa student better than school students. Please don't compare.
Yeah,
Don't
whenever,
hate. Don't
whenever,
hate
yeah,
student.
whenever
Just
I
we are
don't,
mean, brother. We are creation of Allah Subhanahu wa Taala. That's all. And just as a school student, we have to know about our Islam completely. And no, a school student doesn't matter. Matter is we have to know Allah, why Allah created us. Just we'll have
yeah.
to know it. And never compare school student and madrasa student. That's all about me. Actually, to me, in my point of view, never compare. Just try to live in good way. Thank you so much
Yeah.
for giving your good time to me. Welcome. Allah Hafiz.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.